Welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about Python strings. See, string literals in Python are surrounded by the single quotation mark or the double quotation mark. Both the syntaxes are correct. We can assign string to the variable in two ways. First is single line string, or the second one is multi-line string. If you are assigning a single line string, then you can simply close string into the single quotation mark or the double quotation mark. But if it is a multi-line string, then you have to take care that it should be three continuous single quotation mark followed by the three continuous closing single quotation mark. Now the next major important topic is string slicing. What does slicing mean? Slicing means we will be getting the substring from the original string. We will be separating the substring from the original string. Then how we can do this? We can do this in a two ways. First, by using the slice constructor, and the second is by using the indexing. Now I will show you how you can achieve this, implement it. So let's jump into the coding part. So here we are. So we will start string slicing. The first thing is we will be declaring a new fresh string. Welcome, welcome, programming word. Okay. Now we will be doing the string slicing in two ways. First one is slice constructor. So first I am going to show you how you can use slice constructor to achieve the objective. S1 equals to slice, and in slice you can pass the three parameters. First is the start point, second is the stop point, and third is the step. If you are passing the only one parameter, is that you are passing only the stop point. So if I am passing 9, this will be the this will be the stop point. Now how I will be printing the output? Print q square bracket s1. Okay. In this way we will be printing the output. Just close it, run the program. Let's see what will be the output. Welcome. It has printed the output as you can see here. Now the second method, that is by indexing. In indexing we will be passing two values. One will be the starting index value and the second will be the ending index value. So print variable in which you have stored the string, then the starting point from where you want to start. I'm going to start from one position, first position, colon, then the ending point. I want it to be end at 9. Okay. See, the string is stored in the form of an array. So the index value will follow the pattern of array only. First index value will be 0. Now you can imagine what the output will be. See, it has started from ELCOME colon. If you want to print the string from the backward side, means from the end position, then you have to pass the negative indexes value. Print q. I just want it to be start from the want to print word, then I have to pass the negative index value. Let us assume the two negative index value -7 colon -2. Let us assume. Let's see what the output will be. If you can see the output, then it started from G and ended at R. Here is the output. So in this way we can do string slices. One by slice constructor and the second is by indexing. I will suggest you always go with indexing because it will accurately tell you where to which index value you have to pass and where to stop. Otherwise you can also use the slice constructor. But most of the in programming we use the indexing method because it's easy to use. Now let's implement some string functions. Let's see how many string functions are present in Python. So as we can see, there are too many string functions, length, lower, upper. We will be using only few of them. I will be showing you how to use them. Only few of rest of the things you can learn from your Python book. So let's implement them. So here we are. Let's start implementing the string methods one by one. The most important method which you will be using usually is the length function. If you want to find the length of a particular, then you can use length function. Let me find the length of a variable q. Okay, let me run it. So here it is the length 26. It will represent the length. We usually use this function while iterating into the loop or while iterating through the string in list. The next function which I'm going to tell you is lower function, which is used to convert the whole string into the lowercase string q dot lower. Now if you run this, then all the characters in a string will be converted into the lowercase. Similarly, we have upper q dot upper. Okay, if you run it, then every character in the string will be converted into the upper case. Now we have print. If you want to replace a particular character into a string, then we can also do this with the help of the replace function. Replace. Okay. What you want to replace? We want to replace D. Okay. We want to replace D with L. Take a random anything. See here you can see welcome programming wall. The D is being replaced with the L. Okay, if you want to split a string from a particular character, then you can also do with this. So it's q dot split. Now here you have to pass the splitting point. Have pass comma. It's the one to pass comma from where I just want to split it. Okay. See, it has a split. The first part is at first position and the rest of the part is at the second position. So with the help of this, you can split a string from a particular character. I have shown this much string methods. Rest of the string method you can use from your own wish. You can study with your own. Let's now jump into the another topic. The another topic is escape sequences. Escape sequences allow you to use the double quotes when you normally would not be allowed. Means if you want to write your name with a double quote in a particular string, then you won't be able to write it directly. You will have to use the escape sequences. These are some examples of the escape sequences. Maybe you have used this also /n for new line, but I'm going to show you one of the example of this escape sequences by implementing it. Here we are going to use the escape sequences. See, if you want to print your name, like, hi, my name is bytecode. If you want to print it, and if you want bytecode in double quotes, right? Like in double quotes, you want bytecode to be written in double quotes. Okay, just run the program. See what the output is. Here you have done it, but if you use like this. Okay, now run the program. See, here is the error. Now what to do in such scenario? Just simply write print. Okay, hi, my name is bytecode. Okay, Now you want to write this bytecode in table. So here escape sequences come into hand. Backward slash double quote. Here also backward slash double quote. Now delete. Let me delete this. Let me comment it. Not delete it. Comment this. Now run the code. Now here you can see, hi, my name is bytecode, and bytecode is in double quotes. So with the help of escape sequences, you can do this. So you should be aware about the escape sequences, and you generally use slash and escape sequences very usually. So this is all about this video. In next video, we will be going to cover different topic, that is list, and most important topic is the list. So don't, make sure you don't skip it and subscribe to the channel.